Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your TJ Maxx credit card. So without any delay, let's get started. You can cancel your TJ Maxx credit card over the phone. To cancel it, you can call customer service at 1-800-952-6133. Before making the call, make sure your credit card account has no outstanding balance. If there's no balance, you're ready to proceed. Once you call the support number, you will be connected with a team member. Inform them that you want to cancel your card, and they will guide you through the process. They will ask for some information related to your credit card account to verify your identity and proceed with the cancellation. Please remember, canceling your credit card may impact your credit score, so be sure you understand the consequences before moving forward. That's it, guys. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your TJ Maxx credit card. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides.